Hello sir, it's Mohammed Ali, CEO of Aliwave Digital Solutions. Today I am going to show you my another successful project. These Google Ads account got suspended for circumventing system policy issue, and if you see here that the notification that your account is unsuspended, so we fix it, and let me show you one more thing, and that is if you can see that these all status are eligible, and if I show you some history of this ads account, you can see that let me show you all time data. Okay, so here you can see that it's nice cost, okay, around $200,000. And if I show you last 7 days data, then you can see that there was this account was unsuspended. If I show you last 14 days data, you can see still that there is no ad running. It means that this that was suspended. Okay, so actually this account got suspended 16 October, and today is, if I show you, it's 30 October. So 14 days this account got suspended, and my client tried to fix it, take many attempts, but unable to reactivate it. So finally they knock us, and they knock us around 4 5 days ago. Then we take this project and we are working on these cases. And if I show this notification that your account has been reactivated, so CID is 310. Here you can see it's 310. So your account unsuspended. You can see that, and this is the notification. If I again refresh this, you can see the same thing. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That was the actual issue, and you know that this client already have nice cost, but still they face suspension issue. They don't know actually what is the issue, because but we know how to recover it, because we are the Google policy specialist. We know how to deal with Google, and there is lots of reason for a suspended a Google suspension issue. Actually, circumventing is one of the tough issue in Google Ads platform. So you know that also there is lots of suspension issue, unaccepted business policy, and suspicious payment issue, and counterfeit goods policy, and lots of issue we have. But normally these kinds of issue is the highest tough issue, and most of the around 70% Google Ads account got suspended for these kinds of policy issues. So you know that we are Google Ads policy specialist. We know how to fix it, and you can see that 7 hours ago this account got unsuspended, and client is very happy, and I'm also very happy. So if you face any kinds of this kinds of suspension issue, feel free to knock us. We are always ready to help you. And we only take our fee when you successfully recover your account. Until recovery it, we don't take any fee. So I hope that will be plus point for you. And yeah, that's it. If you can knock me on our WhatsApp, or you know that we also have our own Gmail and social platform. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm waiting for next project. Thank you so much.